gonna freeze.
Jan and I had been already 4 days on the trip. Supporting each other, we had endured the harsh conditions the Arctic threw on us with a smile on our face. We were making jokes, teasing each other and admiring the breathtaking scenery together. As Tom Cruise would say, we were an effective team.
It wasn't the easiest pitch of my career, trust me. Jan was luckier than me a few meters away, compact snow. My snow was fairly okay, other than the front of the tent. What a freaking pain in the ass. You see me standing here, man, but there, it's a completely different story. I must have taken the worst, 4 square meters of the entire Arctic. Because look at this, I'm standing rock solid. That powder, man, seriously, it just got me so bad. Jan was telling me, man, the solution is 3-5 meters away. Just move the tent to the side. And I'm going to do it now, here. I'm going to beat the snow. I got so mad. Jan took it very patiently, but he could see that he could recognize the tantrum moment. I'm gonna visit Jan after. We're gonna laugh about my tantrum moment. What are you doing there? Oh, why you have your head out of the tent?
Curious.
Jan also wears his version of balaclava, so the wind also affects him. Anything to say about it?
Even the Nordic people freeze.
I can't feel my toes anymore, so my left toe especially is just not existent. So, hey Jan, is it cold outside?
Yeah.
This guy taken from the freezer, right? Because we're living in a freezer anyway. Hey guys, here I am. We have survived the night. It was very cold, trust me, very cold. And the wind has been hammering the tent in and out. Not super strong, but some of the gusts were quite strong, especially in this morning. Not just moving the tent a bit. Nothing to worry about. Morning folks, here we are ready. Hoping to get ahead of Jan for once. Want to surprise him being ready when he is, which will be a surprise for him. Boy, I always have Jan on my neck. We're about to pack the tent. I put the balaclava because the wind is blowing, and there's no need to freeze. You know, when you have the appropriate gear. When you pack the tent, you want it short so they don't tangle. The tent is anchored here. This is the last one. I'm gonna fold the tent this way. I need to put it here. Proceed to the next pole. Grab it. Hold it. I secured it. This is our anchor.
As days went by, I became more proficient at putting up the tent, taking it down, packing it. Jan has shown me his method, which is very efficient. Combined with what I knew before, I started to develop my own method.
Master! Master! I'm here to help you pack!
Here we are, guys, one more time. Enjoying our break.
I'm just enjoying my hat.
Oh boy. I will steal it. In the last days, I will steal it. Coffee and hot chocolate. Today we're having a wonderful time. You're alive?
Yeah.
He's alive. Yeah, I need to check on him because trust me, the wind is just a little bit gelid. We've been making our own way up to here. Wonderful. Where are you going?
Pick up the drone.
The drone? What happened with the drone?
Just flew on his own.
All right.
Oh, it's strong winds here.
What are we doing?
Oh, on the ice. Look at this.
We made it. Here we are in this cabin. Stor-Rostahytta, I don't know. Jan really didn't lose his time. He must have been here maybe 5 minutes before me. And the stove is already running, boys. I just had to take a stop for a number 2 here. It was perfect because I stopped, waited for no wind situation, and you know, I just took my chance. Jan is over there. I told him not to stop because you freeze anyway. This is wonderful, guys. And look at that mountain over there. Look at that beauty. Oh man, we're gonna have such a fantastic time here.
I'm not sure of the mileage, but
More or less?
16 k's.
16Ks? Correction, so we walked 17K. 1 more K. You need to earn it, so I need to correct this. Today was the easiest day on the trip.
Mister,
Hey!
we had a good time there.
Yeah, we did. Warm and
We
cozy.
recover.
Yeah.
We slept where we didn't snore each other to death last night, right? We were like gentle.
Yeah.
And yeah, we had a nice breakfast and we're ready to go. I don't know if you got to see the wind. It's on my face. We head in this direction. So I just ordered Jan to make a cozy shelter for me mostly, but today I feel kind and I'm going to share it with him. After all this digging, I had the feeling the next time I'm gonna get some snow falling over me if I talk too much. I know, he's just not looking. No, it's nice, it's nice. It's nice, it's good. Oh yeah. We're enjoying a very nice break here. I'm very comfy here. Jan prepared us a very nice shelter here from the freezing Gelid Arctic wind. We're gonna enjoy our days here having lunch, and then we're just gonna cross the lake straight into the cabin. This cabin is very special to me because I stayed there one night while walking the Norrkalottleden. I find myself being incredibly fortunate that I can be here now. It's gonna be very special to me to be back there in these conditions.
Don't you dare cry on me.
We are trying to find our way around here. It's not as straightforward as it may look in the video. I'm so happy to be here, back here. As always, the best things, you need to earn them. But really, what a beauty, man. In this area, oh my God, this is incredible, really. This is incredible. Fantastic, really. I'm elated, you know. I'm not just happy, I'm super thrilled. Jesus Christ, my ears, man. I need to, I got so thrilled that I forgot. You get cold here very quickly. I need to put my hat on, just jump in the, get inside. I'm gonna go and visit the Norwegian. Jan! We made it!
Yay!
We made it, man!
Oh, it's so good to be here.
Now tell me the truth. Did you suffer?
Not today.
Come on, man. I
No.
saw you bending down. You were gonna die there.
No,
Come
no,
on,
no,
confess Norwegian.
No, never.
Confess.
Never.
Confess Norwegian.
You can take the blood eagle on me. I'm never gonna confess.
Oh man. You know,
Yeah, it was quite hard up there.
holy smoke. I'm dying here. The freaking entire lake, man, sinking in the snow with a pork. I think it's the first time in the freaking video you see my hair. I think that should tell you something. I'm not wearing balaclava, I'm not wearing anything. The jacket is open. Boy, I'm giving it all and more. You like the cabin?
The cabin is beautiful.
It's kind of weird because last time I was here, you know, I didn't have the snow above my face.
Now you have to stand up to see.
It's true.
But it's way more beautiful now.
Oh man, can't even begin to compare. think the tent looks good. I'm very excited. We're hoping for some strong winds tonight. I'm on top of the plateau, so hopefully we put the tent to the test. I'm absolutely enjoying these wonderful views. And John is down there in the cabin. He's preparing a special meal for me today, a surprise meal.
Antonio, is it good?
I'm just gonna love being in the tent, enjoying the views, being in the wild. My friend will enjoy being in the special cabin, and I will just go there now, have a hot chocolate with him, have dinner, and have a wonderful time. So here we can observe how the Norwegian is living la vida. Huh?
Perfect lifestyle.
Perfect lifestyle, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Then he will be saying it was so tough, we barely made it, and then look at this, moving the food out of happiness.